Hi, welcome to NH Physics Academy. In this session, we are discussing about two bodies. It is connected with a string. What is the acceleration of a body and what about tensional force? We'll discuss today. Two bodies connected with a string. So here, two bodies it is connected with string. So what is the acceleration? So I am taking two bodies on a smooth surface. These two bodies it is connected with a string M1 M2 it is connected with a string, and here it is tensional force it is applied. I am applying force on the M1, so it is kept on a smooth surface. Two bodies we are taking here M1 M2, so it is connected with a string. So this is the tensional force and I am applying force on M1. What about acceleration? So what is the free body diagram of M2? The free body diagram I am taking here. This is M2 free body diagram in this way. This is the tensional force based on the free body diagram of tensional force on M2, that is T is equal to the M2 into A based on the F is equal to MA formula. So free body diagram of M1, here it is the free body diagram of M1. In this way the applied force it is applied, in this way the tensional force. So here capital F minus T is equal to the M1A, equation number 1 and 2. So adding both the equations, adding equation 1 and 2, we'll get the acceleration. Then T plus F minus T is equal to the M1A plus M2A. In this, here it is plus T and it is minus T. F, capital F is equal to the A is the common, that's why M1 plus M2 into A. Based on this equation, A is equal to the capital F by M1 plus M2. This is the acceleration of a given body. So this is the acceleration. So this acceleration, equation 3 substitute in the equation 1. I am substituting equation 3 in equation 1. So we will get the answer. Simply T is equal M2, A value it is F by M1 plus M2. So this is the tensional force of a given body. When we applied force on a M1, what is the acceleration of a given body? It is connected with a string. A is equal to the F by M1 plus M2. And what is the tensional force of a body? T is equal to the M2F by M1 plus M2. So in this case, we are using force on M1. Now I am taking same system, but this force applied on M2 in this way. This capital F applied on M2. So what about acceleration? What about tensional force? We will discuss now. So I am taking free body diagram of M1. So here it is the very important topic when the tensional force is applied on a both. So I am taking M1 M2 two bodies in a smooth floor. It is connected with a string, but the applied force are applied on M2. So in this case, the free body diagram of M1 it should be like this. This is the tensional force. So based on M1, the T is equal to the M1A based on Newton's second law. Equation number 1. Then based on free body diagram of M2, it should be like this. This is M2 and it is tensile force. So F minus T is equal to the M2A. Equation number 2. So I am adding both the equations, equation 1 and equation 2. So I am adding both the equations. Adding both the equations, we will get the answer T plus F minus T is equal to the M1A plus M2A. So here plus T minus T gets cancelled. Remaining F is equal to the M1 plus M2 into A. The acceleration is equal to the F by M1 plus M2. So this is the acceleration of a body. When we apply force on M1, the same acceleration will be produced. When we apply it on the M1 or M2, the acceleration is same. The value is A is equal to the F by M1 plus M2. So this is the acceleration produced by a body. What about tensional force? So the A value applied on A, equation 1, this substitution. Equation 3, substitute in equation 1. The value become T is equal to the M1 into capital F by M1 plus M2. So this is the tensional force of a given body when it is applied on a M2. When the applied force applies on M2, the tensional force is equal to the M1 into F by M1 plus M2. For example, take two bodies. I am taking this body. It is 5 kg of mass and it is 10 kg of mass. So I am applying force 10 newtons on a M2, means 10 kg body. So what is the tensional force? What is the acceleration of a given body? We will calculate now based on the formula. See here, it is M1, M2. I am applying force on 10 kg mass, that is 10 Newton. Find the acceleration and what is the tensional force. Here they are giving M1 is equal to the 5 kg and M2 is equal to the 10 kg. And the applied force, it is 10 Newton. Find the acceleration, find the tensional force. So what is the formula for acceleration? We have formula A is equal to the F by M1 plus M2. Then A is equal to the 10 by 5 plus 10. This is equal to the 10 by 15 and it is equal to 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 meter second inverse minus 2. So what is the acceleration? 2 upon 3 meter second inverse minus 2. This is the acceleration of a given body. And next, what is the tensional force? We have formula T is equal to the M1F by M1 plus M2. Then what is the tensional force here? M1 given mass 5 into 10 by M1 plus M2, that is 5 plus 10 and it is 50 upon 15. So we have 3 ja and a 10 ja. 10 upon 3 and it is equal to the 3.33. And what about tensional force? It is equal to T is equal to the 3.33 newtons. So this is the tensional force. By using this formula, we will get the tensional force value and same and also acceleration formula. 5 kg, 10 kg, it is connected with a string. What is the acceleration? In that case, we are using A is equal to the F by M1 plus M2. And what is the tensional force of your body? T T is equal to the m1F by m1 plus m2. By using these formulas, we will get the acceleration value and tensional force value. So this is about two bodies. It is in contact with a string. In next class, we will discuss about three bodies connected with a string. What is the acceleration? What is the force? So we will discuss in next class. Thank you. Support my channel.